In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use demo account in Vantage Trading App. If you're new to trading or just want to test a strategy safely, the demo account in the Vantage app is a great place to start. It lets you practice with virtual funds in a real market environment without risking your own money. Let's walk through exactly how to use it, from opening the demo to placing and managing trades, and how to reset your balance if you need a fresh start. First, open the Vantage app and log in. Head to the Accounts section. If you already see a demo account listed, select it. If you don't have one yet, tap Open Account and choose Demo. Your demo account typically comes preloaded with up to $100,000 in virtual money, which is more than enough to explore different markets and practice risk management. Next, switch the app into demo mode so every action you take uses virtual funds. Tap the account switcher at the top of the app or open your profile area, select your demo account, and confirm the switch. You'll usually notice a demo label or a virtual balance indicator, which is your confirmation that you're not touching real funds. Now you're ready to practice trading. Browse or search markets like Forex, gold, crypto, and indices. Tap an asset such as EUR, USD, or gold and decide whether you want to buy if you expect the price to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. Before placing the trade, set your lot size, which controls how big your position is and how sensitive it is to price moves. Add a stop loss to cap potential losses and a take profit to automatically lock in gains at your target. When everything looks good, tap Confirm or Place Trade. This simulates live market execution so you can see how your ideas play out. To manage your trades, go to the Positions or Orders tab. Here, you can monitor profit and loss in real time, close trades whenever you choose, or adjust your stop loss and take profit as the market evolves. Use the charts to review price action and refine your plan. Treat the demo like it's real so your skills translate when you go live. If your virtual balance runs low, open account settings and tap Reset Balance to restore up to $100,000 in virtual funds. This gives you a clean slate to keep practicing. A few important reminders. A demo account carries no real money risk, and you cannot withdraw demo profits. Prices generally track real market conditions, though execution may vary. Also, some demo accounts expire after about 30 days unless renewed. Use this time to build discipline, test strategies, and get comfortable before trading live.